Welcome back to our Getting Started with Prolaborate series. In Episode 3, we dive deep into the Versions Explorer for change management of Prolaborate. Change management is crucial in any organization as it helps to track, manage, and visualize the transitions in your enterprise architecture. Today, we will explore how to effectively manage transitions between different states using Sparx Enterprise Architect. Let's start by creating a new diagram in Enterprise Architect. We'll name this diagram Customer Relationship Management. Let us include the dependent artifacts. We could either reuse if the artifacts already exist or insert new artifacts if needed. Next, we'll transfer our repository to a database and establish a PCS connection to access our database model in EA after the transfer. In EA, open the model using a cloud connection and generate the data cache to ensure the architectural diagram get rendered in Prolaborate properly. Now, let's add our repository in Prolaborate. Once the repository is added, locate and load the diagram we created. To manage the changes, we need multiple models. Let's start with current states, add transition states and future states. To capture the transition state, we will publish this to the cloud repository. In EA, find and open the diagram. For our first transition, let us add some dependent objects. Switch to Prolaborate. Click Edit on the repository that needs the transition state. Enable the Versions Explorer to configure and view the transitions. With the Versions Explorer enabled, configure it by adding the repository details. You will now see tabs for Current State and Transition State. We transfer the transition state from one repository to another database for the next transition. Connect the database with PCS to open it in EA. Let's add elements for this transition in EA. We'll change the appearance of connectors based on their tag values. For example, connectors tagged as Direct Server Cell, EAI, and Live will be visually differentiated. Drag and drop a legend onto the diagram. Name it. Switch to the Connector tab and filter by integration type. Set tag values, colors, and widths to differentiate connectors. Back in Prolaborate, configure to add Transition State 2 version. Locate and view the diagram to see how the transitions occur. Finally, for the future state, we'll transfer Transition State 2 to a future state database. Connect with PCS and open it in EA. Add the related applications to the diagram that represent the final state. View all changes in the Versions Explorer in Prolaborate to manage change effectively. This allows you to see the entire transition process from start to finish. That wraps up our deep dive into Prolaborate's Version Explorer for change management features. You ensure your enterprise architecture remains robust and adaptable by effectively managing transitions between states. Join us next time as we explore more advanced features of Prolaborate. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates. Thanks for watching.